Hello and welcome to another Nimble video tutorial. We had a long weekend. There's been a lot going on here at the Nimble home, and I wanted to highlight a cool article, or a really timely article that if you haven't had a chance to read, I suggest you read. It seems that the cat's out of the bag for Angular developers. This article is called Hype Driven Development. I saw quite a few people either like this article when they posted on LinkedIn, or maybe even chimed in. It seems like there's a lot of technology that's being pushed on developers and pushed in the industry that's not really solid, and people just jump on it because I guess Google endorsed it or whatever. Really good article. I'm glad someone said it, which brings me right along to my next Nimble video tutorial. Everything about Nimble is kind of a back to basics when it comes to JavaScript development. One of the things that I wanted to highlight today is how it can batch compile and reuse components. So I have a joystick component and a button component that I previously built. I've perfected them now. They are drag and drop or plug and play so that they will register inside the user area of Nimble. The buttons work very similar to the joystick in that it will establish a button group. So a button group for joystick 1 would be have a name, a button group of joy 1, so that they know they are connected. So I'm going to batch build both of these components. They will go inside the custom web widget build folder, and if you've used these components in other applications, the application knows to get the updated component automatically. So after these two components are built, I'm going to go into the application that's using them, and rebuild it so you can see that it's consumed. So inside this application, I have wrong one, I'm sorry. This application or web project, I have the head-to-head soccer game that I was just playing around with. So I was able to spend a couple hours, I don't even know if it was even an hour, on this guy to get the functionality of the soccer game working. Now that I've updated or loaded the project, it just also updated all the components that I may have used. So if I build this game, I'll let you see some of the changes that I made. I think I only added like 4 functions to this project, but it looks much better, or has a lot more functionality to it. This week I should be receiving the power supply for my network hard drive, so I should be able to finish this application up, but I'll let you get a quick look at what I've got. The game starts, the soccer ball centered in the screen, and now you have control over player 1, player 2. As I said, my hard drive is missing, so I didn't have the animated graphics to do the players, but I did get the functionality working. So if he walks over to the ball, you have total control. And then player 1 can walk up to him and of course steal the ball away. So it does that type of general stuff. I implemented some other features like sliding. I guess if you get that ball, you could slide and take the ball away. Then of course you can shoot or kick. This is a normal kick, and this is, I guess, shoot the ball. The distance at the ball when you shoot the ball is relative to the speed or the distance of your movement in a given angle. So because I can't control this interface with a mouse, I had to let go of the joystick in order to do the event. So had I been pulling in that direction when I shot, it would go farther. I just wanted to give you a quick look at how I was able to pretty much add all the necessary functionality to make a mock soccer game. It's pretty responsive. I had to slow the animation speed down so that it was playable on such a small screen, but I was really happy with the results. Thank you for watching.